Good morning, dear students. Myself, son of Avari. This year I am going to teach you English. I hope you all are fit and fine. So let us start with our 1.1 Unit 1, the first poem, and the name of the poem is Don't Give Up, on page number 1.1. The name of the poet is Phoebe Carey. First I will read out the poem. If you have tried and have not won, never stop for crying. All that's great and good is done just by patient trying. Though young birds is flying fall, still their wings grow stronger, and the next time they can keep up a little longer. Though the sturdy oak has known many a blast that bowed her, she has risen again and grown loftier and prouder. If by easy work you beat, who the more will prize you, gaining victory from defeat. That's the test that tries you. This poem is written by the poet Phoebe Carey. So let us see the explanation for this poem. The first paragraph. If you have tried and have not won, never stop for trying, and all that great and good is done just by patient trying. Now in first stanza, in this poem, actually the poet is encouraging us not to give up. The poetess is telling that if we have tried to achieve something but not succeeded, then we should not stop to cry. All great and good things have been done by keeping or trying patiently. In first paragraph she is saying that. Now in second stanza, though young bird in flying fall, still their wings grow stronger, and the next time they can keep up a little longer. Now in second stanza, what she is telling? She is telling that she first gives us an example of young birds. She is telling that the birds fall when they are learning to fly, but their wings grow stronger, and the next time then they try to keep up a little longer than before. Okay, so in second paragraph she is giving the example of a bird, and she is explaining that we should never give up. Now let us see the third stanza. Though the sturdy oak has known many a blast that bowed her, she has risen again and grown loftier and prouder. Now first of all, we will see the meaning of sturdy. Sturdy means strong and healthy. Okay. Now in third stanza, what the poetess is telling, she is giving an example of an oak tree. Oak is a big tree which is found in the jungle. So she is giving an example of an oak tree. The strong oak has been bent by many stormy winds. When the wind blows, the oak tree is what? Bending many times, but has risen again and grown taller, stronger and prouder. Now when the wind stops blowing, after that again the oak tree is what? Rising, and it is growing. It is becoming very loftier and prouder. Loftier, what do you mean by loftier? Loftier means taller and stronger. Okay, so in spite of the storm also, the tree is not giving up. The last stanza, if by easy work you beat, who the more will prize you, gaining victory from defeat. That's the test that tries you. Now in the last stanza, the poetess is warning us that no one will value us if we win when we do something that is easy. If something is very easy and if we do it, no one will no one will value it. We do something that is easy. The test that shows our strength is one where we don't give up but gain victory after defeat. So here the poetess is telling we should keep on trying. If the thing is difficult, if we lose 100 times, then also after that losing, when we win it, so that is what? That is an actually victory. Okay, I hope you all have understood this poem. So in your English notebook you have to write this poem one time, and this meanings which are given here in your textbook. So the pink dot, so this is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4 and number 5. You have to copy down this poem and meaning also, question answers. I'll send the photos, that also you have to copy in your English notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.